right, so we're at the top of Wolf Creek. Little bit of storm. It's got about 8 inches of fresh powder yesterday. So we're gonna head out. Sawyer's here. This is kind of what it looks like on the top of the pass. We don't show it much, but today we will. And we're off. Okay, I'll put my ice scratchers down just in case. Don't really probably need them. So, we're on the way. Oh yeah, we're gonna go back to our meadow here. Kind of play it safe. Because with the snow, there is a little bit of avalanche risk. So, the avalanche forecast today is considerable above tree line. So, we're not going there. Basically said, stay off. 35-degree angle slopes on the north side, north facing slope. Let's try the tourist one first. So this is kind of the safe meadow. Well, not really too much going on. Goggles are fogging up a little. Let's just play here for a while. We're gonna stay off all this because it's probably smart. We'll stay in the low areas. I would just stay off of that stuff.
That's what I was thinking.
It's nice in here. A lot of fresh snow.
Yeah. It's a little sketchy. I also have no depth perception, so I can't see the whole thing.
Yeah, me too. It's like my goggles are fogged up. I'm gonna take them off. It's really coming down.
What?
It's really coming down.
Oh yeah. Just think it's probably blue skies at home.
Yeah. I can't see.
I can't.
I wish I had my storm goggles on. Yeah. That's deep. Side hill. Down. Still not a lot of snow up on that side. Didn't see that, bro. Glad I didn't run. There's so much snow down here. Nice. Alright, let's watch RPM. See if I got clutching good here. Looks like maybe 7,900. Leave some stuff on the table. So we're gonna head back now, or get out of this meadow anyway. Got a little bit of a log hop. Get up. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. I've got to go up this. Here we go. Oh yeah, side hill, right up. Nice. Wonder what happened to that guy's sled. I didn't see anyone around it, did you?
No.
I hear sleds this way.
Yeah.
It's coming down now.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty crazy that we're out in the back country. Snowing pretty heavily. You hear the echoes, it's kind of cool. Maybe it's picking it up. All in all, just because the avalanche risk, we're staying off the steep stuff in the meadows. Having a fun day still. It's during the Broncos game, so we seem to have this place to ourselves. Let's count down to 3 and go up there. I'll race you. Let's race. Yeah. Just to the top of that little area. You'll probably smoke me. But watch out for that ditch. On your mark. Get set. Go. I had it for a little bit. The old 700 is not too slow. All right, to that tree. Let me spread out a little bit. On your mark, get set, go! I think I got it. I think I got you, boy. I'm gonna have to give you a head start.
Maybe my glove got stuck in the throttle.
Oh.
You wanna switch back?
What?
You wanna switch back?
Sure. Of course, now that I smoked you, he wants it back. How's this thing going?